Well, hello friends. So here we are. You remember that clock pour that I did where I painted the skull on it? Well, I have resined it. So I'm going to show you what that looks like resined and some of the little embellishments that I did afterward. So this is the resined clock. Pretty badass, I'm thinking. And what I ended up doing was I ended up putting, using these turquoise stones that I had as my numbers. It's beautiful. It's shiny. It's got this smooth, glassy look to it. I really like it. So because of doing that whole clock with the skull and everything like that, I ended up getting a couple of requests for clocks. One with a skull from my son, and the other one for something of my choosing. So today I am going to embark on that journey of doing 2 clock pours with 2 different color schemes, because people apparently really love telling time. I'm Lydia Broderick and welcome to my channel. Okay, and we're back. I'm just gonna jump right into this. So enough of the chit chat, let's pour some paint. Alright, I'm ready. Okay, so here is the first pour and it's dried. It did change a little bit as it dried and I really like how it kind of came together. I like how you can see the gold in there. And it almost looks like, you know how when you look down at water that has pebbles underneath it? So I'm thinking maybe some koi fish in this one. I think it would look really, really cool. So this might be a koi clock. not COI. We're not going with, oh, it's really shy. It doesn't want to tell you the time. And this is the second pour. Very kind of explosive, a little bit fiery. And this is the one that my son picked out that he wants to have his clock on. So this will be a fun one because I have these UV activated paints, and I know that that's going to be kind of a cool thing to do and film with black light, and he wants a skull, of course, which is my specialty because I do love skulls. We should all know that. I don't have to keep on repeating it, but facts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you when I go on to embellish these bad boys. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye. 'Cause I'm tripping over myself. And if you'd like to see that video on doing the pour for that clock, and also the video for painting the skull, put the things, just hit the things.